Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Minecraft Java Edition for free on your Windows laptop or PC using the Microsoft Store. This method works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it's completely official and safe. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, typing Microsoft Store, and pressing Enter. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click the search bar at the top and type Minecraft. From the search results, select Minecraft Launcher. This is the official launcher that includes Minecraft Java Edition. On the launcher page, click Install. If you're not signed in, the Microsoft Store may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just sign in and continue. Wait for the download and installation to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Play. Go ahead and click Play to open the Minecraft launcher. When the launcher opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free directly from the sign-in screen. After signing in, click Play Demo to start the free version of the game. Minecraft will download a few additional files, and once that's done, the game will launch automatically. And that's it. You've successfully installed and launched Minecraft Java Edition for free on your Windows PC using the Microsoft Store. Just keep in mind this is the demo version, so it comes with some limitations. If you enjoy the game, you can purchase the full version anytime from the official Minecraft website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows and PC tutorials.